In our previous unit, we have seen integrated development environment for programming in C#. In this unit, we will learn how to install Microsoft Visual Studio. Installation is an easy task. Before moving to installation process, make sure you have good internet connection to download installation files online. First, go to Visual Studio official website. Download Community Edition of Visual Studio. Here, you don't have to pay to download or install Community Edition of Visual Studio. Next, you will be asked to select features that you would like to install, that is workloads to install. Here, select option to install .NET Desktop Development feature. This will help us develop applications for Windows desktops. Now, later if you need to install components to develop web applications, you can run installer and install web development features. Once we have installed, we have Visual Studio ready to get started with app development. We will learn more about developing applications in our coming units. Thank you.